This one is another complex body. Here two circles are stick with each other, and here it is one bucket in which the circle is placed. Now how we will convert this into a free body diagram? Let's make us two circles. Separate this circle. First one is here, second one is here. This is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. So first reaction will occur is like this, W1, and this one is W2. Second reaction due to the surface from here, that will be R1. It means here it is W1, and from here the R1 will occur, and from here R2. So from here the R2 will occur. Okay, and the combination of this circle will create another force to each other. So that one will be here R3. Okay, like that, here W2, and here the R3, which will be here, and the another one will be like this R4, which will occur from here. So it is simple. Like this, we can convert the complex body into simple one, and by using Lamè's theorem we can calculate all the forces. Okay.